Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all okay. We've just finished a day here in Revolution Bike Park. We've been battling with the wind and the rain all day. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who watches the channel and everyone who's subscribed. We've passed 100 subscribers. We've bought the drone. There's a bit of a lack of drone footage today because of the weather, but hopefully over the next couple of days the storm will calm down a little bit and we'll get some cool videos. So nothing else left to say. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So the rain's stopped now on free ride line. Just gonna have a flowy run. Try and hit all the big jumps, and then we're gonna do some more technical stuff. Whoa! I was so happy that the rain stopped. Brought my goggles with me just in case, but not needing them now. The lad was here before. He's cleaned out this puddle. Oh, look at that puddle there. Okay, so we're coming up to the end of the day. We're just sanding it down here, trying to get as smooth as possible. Trying not to go too fast, but just trying to really stay on point. And use the lines that you figured out during the day to try and get a smooth run all the way down. We're not stopping there, going straight into it, pumping through. Nice. Quite bumpy there. That jump is mint. hope the camera's alright. Because I'm not letting go of the bars to check it. Whoa! They lost the front end there. Foot came off.